CVSense team, and I'm going to show you how to use the CV Smart Match Tailor application. The first step is to import the job details, and for this I'm going to use read. I have this already here. I'm going to copy the URL and go to my job. So all I need to do is to paste in the job URL and it imports it for me. Otherwise, I can also just paste the job details directly. The next step is to import my CV. I can paste it directly, import it from my device, or import it from my profile. If I already have a profile and my CV set up in it, I can just import it. Done. I have my CV imported. The third step is to select the sector. For this, I'm going to select the private sector, which is what the job is about. Begin. Awesome. I have the Smart Match report out. It says I'm 90% qualified for this job, which means that I can proceed to Smart Match. Excellent. I have a report out and it gives me a full tailored detail for my CV, which I can use for the job application. So I can just click here and copy for each job application I'm making, or I can just download a complete CV or cover letter in either docs or PDF. Also, I can proceed to ask more questions and get tailored answers. I can say motivation statements in 300 words. And it gives me a motivation statement in 300 words. I can just click here and copy and proceed with my application. I can also use the CVSense browser extension, which can be in any of my browsers on Chrome, Firefox, Edge. I can install this in my browser and use it for my application. So for this, we're going to look at the civil service job site. We're going to look at product manager job for HM and revenue customs. All right, so I'm on the job site now. All I need to do is just to click here and it imports the job details into the widgets. I already have everything set up. I have selected the sector and my CV is here. So similarly, I just click on begin Smart Match and it can begin the process. And the good thing is that this widget and data can be here, enabling me to go through the whole application process up to the last stage, up to the point of submitting. So just similar to what I have in the CV Smart Match, I also have that on my browser extension, which can be on any job site. Thank you.